I don't like the brushes that they use. That's what I don't like.
Oh, when they're slamming again? Yeah.
Something that's caught in that. Slammed. Hi, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Oh, really good, thank you. Used to be at the one at, what was that, Woodward and Clarkson?
Are they all owned by the same or is it
Yeah,
franchises?
it's all owned by this one guy that we met one time. Because they were all surprised. I said, I met your boss. And they said, well, which one? And I said, well, you tell me his name, but he went to Mumford High School in 67 because he has to move to school. They said, oh, you met the one. You mean he was in town? I said, he travels a lot. He's hardly ever in town. But that's one of them. He's like a district guy because he doesn't usually work here. But I see him all over.
Do you know if there's any in like the southern states, or is it just like a franchise, or just here?
Just here.
Or?
Started with the one down on Woodward. Then they sold it to Walgreens or CVS or whatever. Probably took everything and built 5 of them. But that was a pretty penny.
I always show him the one when we're going down Woodward and Highland Park, and that was the great big one. They closed that up about 30 years ago, but the building's still there. Yeah, 30 years ago. I told you, maybe 40. Well, Jim was a small kid. We used to go there, but it was so long when you went through and it was known, and the cars would be lined out there, and they worked on cars in the lot. So that's the only big one I can remember.
Okay, 3 more, then we're going to go, okay?
Yes. Deal. That's a deal.
It's a friend of mine in Kamara that makes for this car. Here's the top. It's supposed to come off. Oh, that's not that one. It's a little bit bigger one. And the top's supposed to come off to make it convertible. To take the top off, you need 3 people, and you can't really put it somewhere. So he's making a, he designed and just getting it on the market, this crane, this arm that comes out, takes it off.
Oh, okay.
But you can fold it up, put it in the bag, so you can take it in and be anywhere with it. He's just getting that to market.
Well, that's just like, I wish I knew somebody or talking to people that knows how to do all that stuff.
But
So, Nation Made. Even some of them have it like the firefighters in California when they take the thing out, put it around and going like that.
Tuno.
That'd be a good idea.
Tuno.
yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
2 more. Okay. We'll practice this.
That's why I don't know. I know what the material's like. Is that? Okay. Okay, that's why I didn't know if like, that stuff is. Is it? Okay, there's nothing. Well, yeah, I just did. I was trying to think of something like the kids could have that they could at least use as protection if they because they always carry their backpacks or something. And if that was enough of that, they could, you know. I know that you're at that. Yeah.
We have to think about. Oh my goodness, I just drives me crazy. That one, the one that took those babies, that was just the kicker. Just
One no.
kick. Yeah, one more.
One more.
Yeah, it was.